Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Minecraft version and the mod loader required, because mismatches break the game. Open your file manager and navigate straight to the Minecraft or install directory. Once there, locate the mods and saves folders. Make a quick backup by copying those folders to a safe location so you can revert if needed. Now create a new temporary folder for the mod files you will add, and keep the mod downloads ready. This prevents accidental deletion or misplacement during the process. Next, extract any compressed mod archives into your temporary folder so you can inspect contents. Some mods include libraries or config folders that must go in different places. Move each jar mod into the mods folder, and if a mod supplies a libs or core mods folder, place those alongside or as instructed. Make sure you separate forge mods from fabric mods to avoid conflicts. Use subfolders or distinct profiles. Once organized, verify file names and versions. Mismatched or duplicate jars are common. To finish, launch Minecraft with the profile for the correct loader so the game detects your mods. Watch the loader log for missing dependencies or version errors. If Minecraft crashes or fails to load, quit and remove the newest mod you added, then test by adding mods one at a time to isolate the offender. Make sure mod versions match the game and loader. Once stable, move configs from your temporary folder into place. If nothing works, restore your backup and update mods or the mod loader before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.